So in this tutorial, we're going to work the single crochet, and we're going to do that left-handed. And we are going to work into just one loop of the chain stitch. Some people like to work on the bottom into the spine of the stitch, and sometimes I do that as well. But for this tutorial, we're just going to work into the single loop of the top stitch. So we're going to insert our hook into that loop. We're going to pull up a loop, pull up another, and pull it through both loops on the hook. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So let's do that again. Insert your hook into one of the loops, pull up a loop, pull through two. I always find the first working into the chain, the very first row, to be the most difficult because there's just nothing to really hold on to. So it can be very frustrating. And when you're first practicing, you might want to make your chain length a little bit short so you don't have to work too many single crochets into that chain. So once again, you're going to insert your hook into that one loop of the stitch. Usually it will be both of the loops of the V-stitch, but for the very first row it's just going to be one. And that's all there is to that. So now that we've finished that row, if you look along the top part of that row, you can see all of those individual V-shaped stitches. And your next row of single crochet, you would insert your hook under both of those loops.